morning, everyone. It is so cold. So cold. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna go out. I'm not planning on going out. I just want to stay in my jammies all day, and I want to see if I can make homemade bread, sandwich bread, and maybe if I can get to it, I can actually make the pizza dough. We'll see, because my daughter also wants to make some protein brownies, so I don't know how crowded the kitchen will be for all the things that I want to do. So we'll see. Everything takes time. You have to wait until the dough rises and things like that. So it is a process. Regardless of the process, I'll definitely go ahead and show you the final finish. I am testing out this new bread recipe, not my pizza dough. My pizza dough is a staple. I don't change it. I like everything about it, so I'm not going to change anything about that. It's just I'm always on the hunt for a good sliced sandwich bread, but we're gonna see how it goes. I am actually going to print the recipe as we speak, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and feed the dogs, have them ready, and then clear out the kitchen, and then we can go ahead and start on. We got it.
Hey, working woman.
How was it?
It was good. It's a good house. I like it.
Really good. Okay.
Much later.
This is why I cannot get my water intake percentage. I drink so much caffeine. It just don't do what I do. Drink your water. I just ordered this yesterday and they arrived.
Oh, wait, what is this? Wait, handle for what?
Door handles for the whole
Oh, I know, I didn't want to grab it.
for the whole entire house.
Like on every door?
Yes.
Like even the bedrooms?
Yes. But I just ordered these yesterday. They're the screws. Wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So bright. He's so adorable. I bought these things through Amazon. Quote unquote, they are supposed to be heat resistant. I got them. Supposedly they're good for oven and air fryer. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Don't purchase this because it doesn't even work. This gets so hot you cannot even, like, the whole purpose of this was, you know, like, you don't use an oven mitten or a rag, because we do tend to do that. So if this would work and it would have been practical, all you needed to do is pull the grit or the grill, how you call this, and that's it. Easy, right? Well, this gets so hot. Don't even waste your money. Not worth it. Sunbathing here. Her and I in the summer. She's my partner because we love sunbathing. So every morning she sits there and sunbathes. It is moist.
Yeah, it's not dry.
You think it's undercooked?
I think it's flavorful and undercooked. Flavorless.
I mean, once you keep eating it, I don't mind it.
You are such a liar.
It's not bad.
The texture
It's there.
If it's cooked a little bit longer, the texture's fine, moisture's fine.
You're right.
It's just the flavor.
5 hours later.
Alright, so I went ahead and I divided the dough into two, and we are going to wait until this doubles the size, and then we can go ahead and bake. But they look so cute so far. Wow, that one looks a little funky. It's time to put them in the oven. They are ready. They smell good?
They do smell good. Oh, it smells like bakery bread.
Right? This one, the shape is a bit weird. Oh, but oh, nice. I will wait until they cool down and then I will open it up. Actually, no, I can't open it up until 12 hours. All right, well, I will keep you guys posted. But so far, really nice. Easy recipe. If I can do it, anyone can do it. But we're not out of the woods yet. We gotta open these babies and make sure they're fully cooked and see the taste. The taste I really don't mind as long as they're fully cooked. You can actually go ahead and customize the recipe if it's a little salty or not enough sweet for you. But yeah, the recipe I don't mind. I just want them to be fully cooked.
The next day.
Morning, morning. Another beautiful day. So I have a couple of things to do versus yesterday. I was just very lazy. Not lazy, but like I don't want to go out. It was just one of those days. I wanted to focus on like baking, a couple of things I needed to do around the house. So I just didn't go out nowhere. But today I do have a couple of things to do. My body, it needs to walk. It's calling it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check the trail today. I have not been there since last time I showed you guys how horrible it was. After that time, it snowed one more time. But then on Sunday, we went through it and we saw a little path and it was still covered in snow. So today is Thursday. So it's been sunny and it hasn't snowed. So I'm hoping that it is clear. I'm not taking the dogs with me because I don't know how bad it is. So I'm gonna go check it out, walk a mile. I need that. My body is actually asking for it. And then, I mean, I do use my treadmill. I do have a walking treadmill here, but it's definitely not the same. You know what I mean? It's just definitely not the same, at least for me. Doesn't matter if you put on a YouTube, if you're working on your phone, if you're doing things in keeping you busy, listening to music. For me, is just not the same. So we're gonna go check that out, and I wanted to come over here and show you guys the finished process of the bread. It's been 12 hours, at least more than 12 hours, I want to say. So we are gonna slice it and we are gonna hope it's fully cooked. Cross our fingers and let's hope that it's fully cooked. All right, so my husband went ahead and he bought this for me, and it helps you slice the bread, and he also got me a knife. Isn't that sweet? So thank you, babe. I'm gonna quickly wash this real quick. So the knife is nice and clean. The knife is good. Moment of truth, guys. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Do you see that? Yes, it did. It cooked all the way through. I kind of like this. This technique actually works. Thanks, babe. Wow, I'm gonna continue slicing it and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it away. There it is. But look at that. Tell me this doesn't look like some bread that you would buy at the grocery. Tell me. Yeah, well, it's homemade and you can do it yourself too. Okay, so I did the bread.
I was about to take some this morning, but I was so tempted to cut it.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, put a little bit of butter on it.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna toast it.
Okay. Okay.
Because this looks good. It's like cut perfect.
Yeah,
I'll show you. I
yeah.
washed it. And then you just take the knife through the slots.
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen that before. That's the one I was telling you about that you should get. Because look at how easy this is.
I know.
And now Lewis can actually... Don't judge.
No one is judging.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna. Yeah.
High five. It tastes just like bread. You have to try it.
I will.
I think you're gonna be amazed.
I will, but later.
This is the best bread ever. Look at it.
So, daughter approved. How about the flavor?
Grilled cheese.
Yeah.
I can't lie. This is just like toast.
Good. And it's homemade.
Yeah.
That's the best part. Yeah, so I think I found a good recipe for once. And I'm sticking to that one.
Yeah.
Yep. And I did 2 of them, but the one I froze. Because there's no need for us to have 2 loaves of bread out.
Always go bad.
Yeah. But I don't think it will go bad now. Because they're smaller and they're homemade. Yeah.
And they're already cut, so Lewis is gonna definitely use it.
Yeah. All right. It's a winner.
2 hours later.
Mmm. Pretty good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like regular bread, right?
Tastes better than
Yeah, better than sandwich bread.
tastes like better than sliced bread and close to the pan sobao.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, so we are going to see how the trail is. I'm expecting a slushy. I'm hoping the snow melts a whole lot. I just want to go and see how it is. And then if the trail is clear from snow and it's safe for the dogs, then I'll definitely go ahead and bring them tomorrow with me. But I just want to do a mile. If the trail is clear, then I'll definitely go ahead and do my 3 mile, which is perfect. But we shall see. Guys, I can't believe it's almost daylight saving. I can't wait. I can't wait. I really can't wait. Oh my gosh. It's going so quick and I haven't done anything. So many things I have to do, guys, within the next few months. I'm laughing now, but I know I'm gonna be stressed. Stressed, like the word stress. Because I have so much work. But it is exciting and I can't wait. I cannot wait. So stay tuned. Alright, so there's no one at the dog trail or at the dog park. There's literally no one at the dog park. And then there's only one pickup truck in this trail at this time. It's not like oh, I like that color. It's not 100% clear, but it is better though. Oh my gosh, I parked so bad. What is this? Double parking? Absolutely not. I'm so bad. This pickup truck is so huge. I always have problems. I have such difficulties. Yes, I do cheat, okay? Nothing wrong with that. I'm literally using the camera and still. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. Yep. All right. Do I need my gloves? Oh. There's still a lot of snow. And maybe you guys are thinking, Jen, but why don't you just walk around your block? Yes, Jen can do that. There's a problem. I don't like my neighborhood. I just don't like my neighborhood. And when you don't enjoy something, you dread. That's the word. You dread. Going out, you don't enjoy it, so I don't do it. There is this one neighborhood that I like, but you have to pass, obviously, my neighborhood. Cross a bridge, and then towards that neighborhood. So I still have to walk on my neighborhood, which I'm trying to avoid at all costs. Ooh, it's clearing up. What? Look at this, guys. Nice. So I guess, oh, there's someone coming over. There's someone coming also. So, all right, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. 1, 2, 3. There are some trees falling down. Do you see that? Okay, so it's not just, yeah. Can you walk? Yeah, taking your time. Oh, look at this. Do you see that? Wow. I'm surprised they haven't. Well, from the trunk and it roots and everything. I'm surprised they haven't really. See, I'm not the only one. He's a regular, because I've seen him. Now, my decision. Do you want to go that way or do you want to go this way? That's where I came from. You know what? I'm just gonna go this way because it is cleaner. So I lost my sunglasses. Oh, hold on. It is pretty. It is very pretty. But okay, so I forgot, where was I? Wintry conditions. Let's see. If you live in a warmer state, that's great, you know, because you only have to worry about the heat. But the heat isn't easy because. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
5 minutes later.
Alright, this is a new path. I've actually never been here. Yeah, oh, I remember what I was gonna say. But yeah, I've never been here, not even with the dogs. See, this is not the route that I usually take. This is a different route, but I'm very curious. Huh, I wonder where this takes you. Oh no, don't tell me. I know where this is. I know where this takes me. Oh my gosh, I know where this is at. Wow, I know exactly where I'm at. I always wonder. All right, I did 1 mile. Oh my gosh. So now I know where this takes me. That felt so good. I am a bit warm. Oh, there's another car coming over. Fun fact, I am very cautious when it comes to snow because in the year 2019, if I'm not mistaken, 2019, 2020, slip, I was very stubborn and I fell. And thanks to that slip, I broke into little pieces and it's my dominant hand, my left one. So now I have screws. Oh, it's so beautiful. I have screws, 11 screws, and that's why I'm always cautious when it comes to like walking in the snow. I need to make sure that I take my time and I just stay away as much as possible because of that. I don't want to break another bone. It was so painful. It was so hard. So that's why. Okay, I wasn't paying attention. Okay, thank you. I kind of like that path. I am going to continue. I think I'm able to do 2 and I'm so glad I did this. Oh, you guys heard, but I'm so glad I did this. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.